Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I cover all things micro camping, off-grid living, and the coolest innovations in mobile travel. And today, I'm genuinely excited to share something really special with you, the brand new 2025 Tricycle Camper. And this one is rocking the exclusive dark blue finish. Right off the bat, this thing is a total head-turner. The dark blue color isn't just aesthetic, it's practical. It's got a matte ceramic UV coating that helps protect the surface from sun damage and fading, especially during long-term outdoor use. Plus, dirt and water bead right off it. So whether you're rolling through dusty trails or caught in a downpour, cleanup is minimal. It's a color that balances ruggedness with elegance. It doesn't scream for attention, but it definitely commands it. The frame and exterior build are equally impressive. It's made from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, which means it's lightweight but strong enough to handle tough terrain. The body is reinforced with weather-sealed panels that resist corrosion, and the entire unit is wind-tested for stability. It's got front and rear LED marker lights for visibility, and some nice custom touches like reflective trim and a high-traction step plate. Let's talk about mobility, because this isn't your average tricycle. It's a hybrid. You get both manual pedal drive and electric assist, and switching between the two is seamless. The electric motor gives you a boost when climbing hills or cruising longer distances, and the pedal setup still works even if you're completely off-grid. And out of charge, the motor is whisper quiet, and it offers multiple speed modes from eco to turbo, depending on your terrain and how much battery you want to conserve. And speaking of power, this camper is fully equipped with an off-grid energy system. On top, you'll see a 100W solar panel integrated into the roof. It charges a built-in lithium-ion battery bank that powers the fridge, LED lighting, USB ports, and control systems. You can also charge the battery via standard wall plug, or even a portable generator if needed. It's designed for autonomy, meaning if you're planning to stay off the grid for a few days, this trike has your back. Now, let's step inside. This is where the Tricycle Camper really shines. You've got a multifunctional interior space that's designed for comfort and efficiency. During the day, you can set it up as a lounge with a small bench and pop-up table. At night, the seating transforms into a surprisingly comfortable memory foam bed that fits one adult, or two if you're really cozy. Storage is tucked beneath the flooring and into the walls. Clever little compartments for everything from clothes to tools to cooking supplies. One of the best features is the modular work and cook station. There's a fold-out countertop, space for a portable stove, and even a tiny sink with a foot pump water system. The solar-powered mini-fridge can hold perishables for several days, and there's enough room to prep basic meals inside the unit if the weather turns bad. It's small, yes, but everything is there. You can live out of this camper comfortably for short or even extended trips. Now, let's talk tech and controls. On the handlebars, you'll find a digital interface that shows your battery level, remaining range, speed, and even has a GPS trip tracker built in. There's also a Bluetooth module so you can sync your phone to manage settings, map your route, or even control lighting. For security, there's a motion detection alarm system built into the rear wheel assembly, and the cabin door has a dual locking mechanism.